Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and thanks so much for coming back if you're returning. I hope you love what I'm going to show you today. I know it's been a little bit of time since I've been here uploading videos on my channel, so I'm so sorry. Life, work just got kind of a hold of me, and before I know it, all this time went by. But I am back because I have a lot of things to share with you guys, and I can't wait. I am so excited. As you know, I love luxury, fashion, style, especially handbags, and so today I'm gonna start my re-entry back into YouTube with a bang because I have got an unboxing for you guys of, as you can see from the title, a Louis Vuitton bag, and I'm so excited because this is a bag I've been wanting for a long time. As you probably know if you watch my other previous videos, that I really like to get a bargain and get things where I don't feel like I'm overpaying or being like ripped off or anything like that. So a lot of times I will go in the pre-loved market and look for deals if I can find them better than buying new. I'm open to both, but I will tell you a lot of my handbags are pre-loved, and a lot of the times it's styles that I've been watching for a while to really make sure I really want it. So it's more intentional shopping, which this definitely was. This is a bag that I wanted for a long time, always had my eye on, but never pulled the plug until this combination of the style, color came about, and I was like, okay, this is mine, and I got an amazing deal on it. So this was brought pre-loved. I did already kind of look into it, so it's not a true unboxing. I guess you could say it's more of a reveal, but I'm gonna get right into it. And if you love this type of videos, luxury, handbag related, style, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below because I would love to have you back. But let's get ahead and go right into this unboxing, unbagging, or reveal. So this is the dust bag, the Louis Vuitton dust bag. And any guesses? What do you guys think? If you have any guesses for what you think is behind this bag, please put it down below in the comments. But let's go ahead and get into it. I just can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm gonna see if I can kind of reveal it in a way that's maybe you get a little idea. Okay, all right, here we go. I'm gonna let you get a peek at it. Look at that color, there we go. I didn't want to hide much longer. So this is, of course, the iconic Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse in the most beautiful color. This color, I wish I knew the name of it. It's like a fuchsia kind of color. I'll show it to you up close. Look at that color. I am in love with this color. Oh my goodness. So this is your, you've probably seen the Pochette Matisse so much, but this is in the Pochette Matisse in the empreinte leather. So it's the leather that has the imprinting of the Louis Vuitton monogram in it. It's got this top handle that says, I believe it says, yep, Louis Vuitton, like right there. And I love the empreinte leather. Now, I will say it's more commonly seen in the monogram with like the vachetta leather here, or in like the reverse monogram, which has like the treated kind of black leather, I believe. But I like those ones, but for some reason, I guess I have so many like monogram bags that I just never gravitated 100% towards them. And this messenger style is not a style that I normally would go through, so I wanted something a little bit more fun, a little bit more my style. And this color, I had seen this color sometimes before, but when it came up, I just had to get it, and it is definitely no longer in production now, so you can only get this color pre-loved, to my knowledge. So when I saw it in such a good deal, I had to snap it up. And so this bag does come with this little clasp here, and then it opens up. I've got it stuffed in here, which I'll remove the stuffing. So it comes in 3 slots. So this is the interior, which I love this interior color. So one in the back, one in the middle, one in the front, and then it does come with an adjustable crossbody strap. So this is the interior, and then this is the bag closed. It has this amazing back pocket, and the older models have this leather zipper pull tag, which I actually like because I think it makes it like easier to kind of open. Right now I don't have anything in it, so it's a little flimsy, but there we go. That's the back pocket, which is a good size back pocket. I mean, I can kind of get like my whole hand in there. So great for like the phone, and I love the security. I love gold hardware, as you know, and this leather feels amazing. This is my first piece of Louis Vuitton in the empreinte leather, and I am just in love with it. I mean, the color is so vibrant, even though this is like an older, you know, style, and it's technically being used. There's no like color transfer. The corners looked amazing. But the color, I love it. Like even with what I'm wearing today, blue, like this kind of contrasting color, I love it. And then I have in my wardrobe a lot of other pinks, reds, whites, oranges. Like I love that kind of colors. I love floral print. So this actually goes perfect. And I think it makes the pochette Matisse, which is kind of normally I think of more like a casual messenger bag, a little bit more like stylish, a little bit more feminine just because of this color. So I am so in love with this, and I just am so excited to have this in my collection because I really honestly never thought I was gonna have a pochette Matisse, just because the prices were just so up there when it, you know, especially when it first came out. And then it was just so hard to get. And I know a lot of people were talking about like the glazing issues and things like this, but this so far it's been really good. And I have realized the style of bag that I love. I love bags that have a top handle, a crossbody that, you know, is adjustable. Bonus if it's a fun color, especially like on the interior, even if the outside is plain. Bonus if it's got like an easy access pocket on top of it. So this kind of fits a lot of those criteria, and it's not that heavy either, so it's pretty comfortable carry as well. So this is it. This is my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse in the empreinte leather in this gorgeous color. I just think it's so beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this color? Because I'm just in absolute love with it. I know it may not be for everybody, it might be kind of bold, but I love that I'm not always like a completely like a red handbag girl, but like pink, kind of almost like a reddish tinge. It's just gorgeous. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please go ahead, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. I've got actually several more reveals for you guys because since I was last on here, I've kind of accumulated a few bags over this last year that I haven't shared with you. So I would love to share it with you so much. And so I'm going to go ahead and get those videos ready for you. So if you would like to stay tuned because they're from all various brands, please go ahead, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.